Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chrome extensions on Android. First, understand that the standard Chrome app on your Android device does not natively support extensions. However, you can still enjoy your favorite extensions by using specific third-party browsers. These browsers are designed to bridge this gap, offering a similar experience to desktop Chrome. To get started, you will need to download a compatible browser. Two excellent options are Kiwi Browser and Yandex Browser, both available on the Google Play Store. These browsers are built with the capability to run Chrome extensions. While Firefox for Android is another great browser, it supports its own ecosystem of add-ons, not Chrome extensions. Once you have your chosen browser installed, the process is straightforward. Open the browser and locate its extensions section, usually found in the settings or a dedicated menu. From there, you can search for and install your preferred Chrome extensions, just as you would on a desktop. After installation, ensure the extension is enabled and working correctly. Keep in mind that while many extensions work well, some desktop-focused ones might not perform perfectly on a mobile interface. You might encounter minor user interface or performance differences. Always keep your browser updated to ensure the best experience and security. Finally, always prioritize your online safety by only installing extensions from trusted sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.